Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it definitely looks like it is trying to turn up, and I mean, don't get me wrong, if it holds above this structure with momentum, then it probably is going to just end up continuing the uptrend, and turning into a running flat instead of an expanding flat. The problem I'm having with it is most running flats at least go to the 100% of wave A. If it's an expanding flat, you would expect a 161, 178. So I'm still really skeptical about this actually being a real turn to the upside. If you go down to the 1 hour time frame, this also makes me very skeptical because to me this looks like one, two, three, four, five waves up. It looks like one, two, three waves down. It looks like it's now forming another five waves up. It looks to me like a possible 5-3-5 pattern, almost like an expanding or just a regular flat. So if it does turn down at one of these key Fibonacci levels, nice and golfing down, I personally am definitely going to take it as a short because I'm not really convinced that the higher time frame move to the downside is complete. I think this could just be another ABC correction within the downtrend. Now, like I said, if it does break structure, if it does, maintain up momentum, then we probably do have a turn on the daily, but we don't really have that yet. And I am definitely very skeptical that this really is the turn that we've been waiting for. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.